Hey Freedom Grills, today we're going to take a look at a fan favorite as well as a favorite of the channel, the Palmetto State Armory Micro Dagger. Not to be confused with the compact dagger and the full-size dagger, which have a separate footprint on the slide. We're going to take a look at all the Holosuns that will install on this micro dagger, as well as the ability to co-witness with each red dot. And for those of you who don't know, when I mention co-witnessing, I'm just talking about when I put an optic on the slide here, how much of the front iron sight we are able to see through the optic. In case of any optic failures, you're still able to use the iron sights to aim. The first thing to know about the micro dagger is that it's using a K-series footprint, which means the 407K, 507K, SCS Carry, EPS Carry, and full-sized EPS will all direct mount onto the micro dagger without the need for any plates. So there's everything that fits onto the micro dagger from Holosun. Everything does have an awesome co-witness. It's actually a better co-witness than what we've seen on other pistols, which is actually great to see. The only thing I would say is that the full-sized EPS does have a lot of overhang on it. It does look a little goofy, but if you wanted the biggest window, that's one option. Probably wouldn't carry with it though. Everything on today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com, and as always, thanks for watching.